My name's Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we'll discuss the Ventrac Boom Mower. The Boom Mower is a specialty attachment used for managing vegetation in areas where you can't get other mower decks. Typically, these areas are managed with hand labor, and this is a much more efficient approach. The cutting head of the boom mower is a hydraulically driven, double-acting sickle bar. This means the teeth and the guards both move, which makes it capable of cutting woody material, but also really good for cutting grassy and light material as well. The cut width of the boom mower is 39 inches. It's shown here in the folded up transport position. It also has a maximum vertical reach of 142 inches and a horizontal maximum reach of 115 inches from the outside of single wheels. Additionally, the head has 135 degrees of range of motion. It rotates from 90 degrees straight up to 45 degrees below level. For trimming hedges or anything else where the cutter bar is level but elevated off the ground, the max cut height is 82 inches. The cutter bar is also submersible, which makes it great for maintaining water features. An important feature of this boom mower is that it's engineered to maintain the angle of the cutting head when you extend or retract the boom. This is very important because it helps maintain a consistent and level cut with minimal inputs from the operator. The boom mower is not backwards compatible with older model tractors. You need a 4500 model and the following kits and accessories. You'll need a 12-volt front kit, dual front auxiliary hydraulics, spool float valve, and 4 standard Ventrac weights. Because of the reach of this attachment, the slope rating is very specific. It's 10 degrees with single wheels and 18 degrees with dual wheels. The boom mower is powered from the belt-driven PTO on the tractor. On the attachment itself, it has its own hydraulic system consisting of a hydraulic reservoir, filter, pump, and motor. There's also a pressure-sensitive bypass built into the drive system on the attachment so that if you hit an obstruction that you can't cut, it stops the teeth and doesn't tear anything up. To ensure proper use of this attachment, operators must follow several guidelines. The boom mower should always be run in full weight transfer and in the float position, even when transporting. Also, after every use, the cutting bar needs to be lubed to maintain the integrity of all the components. We recommend a biodegradable bar and chain oil for this. Sometimes during heavy operation, when you're cutting material that's dry only, you may need to lube the bar during operation periodically. The boom mower also has skid plates on the inside and outside of the cutter head and 13-inch flat-free caster wheels on the front. To operate the boom mower, you'll attach it to the tractor via the front hitch arms and the belt-driven PTO. You'll also connect all 4 hydraulic connections, the 12-volt front. You'll also need 4 additional Ventrac weights on the attachment itself. Just like the rest of our front-mounted attachments, the boom mower connects to the tractor in just a couple of minutes. The only difference is this has a jack stand on the left and right side to help that sequence. On each side of the boom mower, you'll find 2 separate positions for the jack stands to mount. On the right side of the boom mower, the upper position of the jack stand is for storage and the lower position is for operation. The left side is opposite of this. It's very important to have these jack stands in the right position because if you don't, they'll either cause problems with interference of the arms of the boom mower or they'll make it impossible to attach or detach to the attachment. Part of what makes the Ventrac boom mower so easy to use is that all of the movements are controlled with just the SDLA lever. First, make sure the primary lever is in the float position. You'll run the boom mower in this position in all circumstances. Then you can use the red switch on the front of the primary lever to select which part of the boom mower you want to move. There's a red light on the back of the boom arm to indicate which of the options you have selected. With either the boom arm or the boom head selected, you'll use the secondary lever to actually physically move them. There's 2 options with this lever as well, moving it left and right, or moving it left and right with the green button pressed down. Those will produce two separate movements. As with any new piece of equipment, there is a learning curve to these adjustments, but most operators find that after about an hour, it's about second nature to them. The Boom Mower completes the Ventrac line of mowing attachments by giving us the ability to reach into areas that were previously inaccessible and you couldn't maintain with a front-mounted mower deck. The Boom Mower makes its most profound impact on waterways, hedges, fence rows, and trails, or anywhere else where hand labor is the preferred method. Thanks for watching this video on the Boom Mower. For more information, visit our website at ventrac.com or schedule a demo with your local dealer.